Hoi, ik ben Veerle en ik ben vandaag bij Theo om mijn haar te ontkleuren en te knippen.
Veerle wants a large piece of her hair off, shoulder length, and she wants an ultra light color of hair. Veerle, will you turn around so this can see how your hair is now? Thank you very much. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do Veerle's hair. Now she wants a part off and she wants ultra light color blonde. So I start with putting on the protection, then I take off roughly a part of her hair and then I'm gonna bleach it and then I'm gonna cut it afterwards. Start by pinning up her hair. Do this with chopsticks. You can always ask at the Chinese restaurant. Putting on the protection for coloring. Water resistant cape. And of course my world famous plastic foil. Take out. Hij had ook jullie oude kleuren laten zien hoor, die je erin hebt gezet. Die toon. Ja. Ik ben benieuwd wat hij gaat doen. I feel what the hair does, so I turn out a bit, as you can see. And when I pull down, the best condition of the hair lays about this length. Then I'm certain that it's long enough, and I can take off all these dry ends. So I take off this length. I can always correct the line afterwards. Do this in the natural lines. So I have the best fall on the place where I cut now. When you see the hair now, it looks a lot better, and the dry ends are totally off. This part. You like it? Ooh, it's wiggling. So now I can make her bleach. We'll make her bleach with 10 volume. That's 3%, and I make her a blue bleach because she wants ultralight colors. There is an old color in her hair. She thought it's a toner. I don't know because I cannot see it if it's a toner or not. But we'll see what's happening because we're going to a light color. Don't have to be silver or something like it, but near to platinum blonde. So we're going to do whatever we can. Cut the hair a little bit, not too much, just to make sure I can lay all the hair together and not that it jumps out. Start in the underlines. Take the hair up with a clip over the half of the head. Turn a bit. Start an underline. Every time about 4 centimeters I lay a foil between it. Show you the product into the video. Stay away a little bit off the skin. That I do afterwards. Although this product is a cold bleaching process, so you could set in all the hairs at once. Take about a centimeter here. A centimeter is almost a half inch. So actually I can only lay a 4 and then put a foil between it and then every time I go back. So now I set in all the color. You see all the plastic foils laid between it. You see already the color developing. I left out what I told you, the outgrow. See this on top also. So there's no heat developing there. First start by taking this lighter up because here's also old color in. And then afterwards I set in the outgrow, but I'll show you that. Okay, back from coloring, pin the hair itself over the center line. Set on my hot scissor of Jaguar, the TCC1 cut. Can do the cut with the TCC1 because the hair is now totally wet, but I need to seal them, so they have to be wet. Take this wonderful scissor. This prevents hair from splitting for more than 4 months. And over 4 months she will certainly back to have another hairstyle. But now we're going to work for shoulder length. You can see there's still a little bit rest over of the color she used. They sold it to her like a temporary color, but you can see it's not true. It's yeah, a real color. But there you have to deal with as a hairdresser. She has a little bit wavy hair, so I have to take care also of the length, that it's not too short. But I could cut all the hairs on the same lines. Start with the baseline. Did the second line from the skull bone, about ½ centimeter over that. So I'm certain that the baseline stays under the cover hair. My scissor is 140 degrees Celsius. And this makes the sealing possible. So do all the hair, of course. Coming to the front, took almost all the hairs on one layer. Take them together. Now I'm certain that I have cut all the hairs with the TC1 haircut, so she has the best end result of hair. So now I can dry her. Bring the hairs up over the center line, start blow drying with a medium light brush of Ergo. Like this one, for example. And you can see that the nice thing of the hot scissor and even also the hot razor is it never pulls the hairs on the back. So you can very easily go in with a brush and never get stuck. So of course I do all the hair. What's that? So far blow drying. I don't want to put a lot of products on my hair, but it's only gloss. So take a nice diamond gloss, bring us all the hairs. It really smells really delicious. And the next step into becoming ultra platinum blonde will be the next time, I think, because you see the restovers of the browns that still were in the hair. It's still a bit in the hairs, but certainly not that it is not well done, because the hair is still in wonderful condition. That is the most important thing. And I think for the first step into blonde, and certainly into this winter blonde, it looks very nice. I thank you for being my model. Thank you for watching. She will certainly turn and show you the end result.
Ja, mooi, hondje. Oh, ja. Dankjewel.
Veerle wants a large piece of her hair off, shoulder length, and she wants an ultra light color of hair. Veerle, will you turn around so they can see how your hair is now? Thank you very much.